Hello everybody. And welcome to my little video showing a double room in a Travelodge. I've literally just arrived, so the bed hasn't been slept in yet. What day is it today? World Cup going on over in Russia. This is how things are looking, and Belgium, as I said in my last video, Belgium are still my favourites. Okay, so you've got your basic stuff here, your teas and coffees and things. It's very humid in here at the moment, so they have given me a fan. But just for sound, I'll just turn it off for the moment. You've got space here for your shirts and clothes, etc. I'm presuming that's a bit of bedding up there. Got a mirror on the side. So there's the carpet. It's pretty cozy, doesn't seem too bad. I'm liking the picture. I love arty stuff. Well, you probably gathered that by now. Quite an arty bloke, so arty people like arty stuff. Right. So as you see, I'm not really one to estimate sizes of rooms, but as you see, I'm against the door here. So if I just walk straight across, you get an idea of, that's the end of the wall. You get an idea of the size of the room. But yeah, let's have a little look in the bathroom, shall we? All the essential stuff there. You've got your shower here. You got your toilet, your sink, and you got a little bin down there. Shall we test out the shower, see how it works? Ooh. That's not too bad. I'm liking the red bit above, so that's quite cool. I like the red bit above the line. You got your towels, etc. Yeah, it's not too bad. Tut tut tut. Right then, why don't we? Let's see how this feels. Oh, I didn't mention the TV. You got TV there. So, yeah, it's alright. Feels very comfortable. And you've got your TV right in front of you now. Maybe some of you watched my last video when I was last in a hotel, and I went over basically the entertainment. Oh, you got your little lights there. Okay, my entertainment for the evening. I've got my alarm clock like last time, my lovely, lovely Nokia, which people would say is very out of date, but it's my alarm clock. I use it as an alarm clock, and it never lets me down. Never ever lets me down. Good old Nokia. And this is the book that I'm reading at the moment. It's a very old book, but this chap, Peter Ustinov, dear me. As you can see from the condition of the book, it's quite old, but he is such an extraordinary man. He really, really is. Speaks a load of languages. Writer, director, producer. Not to mention, he's got a couple of Oscars as well in acting. Really, really good read. He was in Spartacus, and no, it's an absolutely awesome read. It's so insightful, and he's so modest as well about his success. But you know, passed away a few years ago. Did a lot of work for UNICEF. And yeah, well worth a read if you get a chance. Okay, so you know, this is basically it. Really, it's pretty alright. You know, it's not bad. It's not that the bed's nice and yeah, it's a comfy bed. You certainly think you get what you pay for here. Okay, right. Oh, I have to give a plug for this. This is my stuff. That's my trainers, and that's my stuff where I keep some of my recorded stuff. This is one of my favourite ever hats that I've ever had. If you get a chance in your lifetime, swim with a whale. It will content your soul, I'm sure. It's contented mine in a lot of ways. But yeah. So there we are. A little bit of an insight into a Travelodge room. Okay, so until next time, you take it easy, and I will see you very, very soon. Okay, take care, yeah.